Mm. Wolfie, 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 you can never come back. You can never come. What's this? This looks cold. What's happening? Ah, it's happening. Oh, get out of my brain. I can't take this anymore. No, 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 no. Ah! Huh? Oh, it's all just a bad dream. Kara? Kara? I must be seeing things. Oh. Not the hoodie. Not the hoodie. Oh. Wolf Dog, you're alright? Looks like you're a little paranoid. Now, first of all, I thought I was watching a skydiver. No. Maybe it was a beach guy. No. How about an astronaut? But no, this Brooklyn was falling apart. It was very, very mysterious. Mysterious, you say? Yeah, like a big mystery.
Like grave corruption, yes. We answer to Sir Ibram, Your Majesty. Yes, and to Lady Like.
Guys, but this is no joke. There's like this hooded lady in there too. That reminded me of that Kirby enemy. Wonder what her name was.
What are you doing?
For years and years, I thought it was a spiritual warning. Straight from God. Maybe it is a spiritual warning. Say what now? I mean, what the heck is this? Is this a sign? I think it is a sign. I gotta find out what this is right now. Well, I guess he's acting like a
superb
bird.
paradise.
Today, isn't he?